straight down in the phone that in the room. Oh! In the name of Jesus.
Revelation chapter 1 verse 12.
In the name of Jesus. Forward.
I turned around to see the voice that was speaking to me.
Yeah.
And when I turned, I saw 7 gold lampstands.
I saw them. Okay, go back.
Verse 13. And among the lampstands was someone like a son of man.
Just look at that. I can't look born. I can't look cast. We are going to cast over. I can't look born. But in our one of our golden lampstands. But there is something else I see. In the middle of it all, I'm seeing someone who looks like Son of Man. Haman Johan, even though Krumangai. Yamas don't bonayo. Ngoba simelanga siyamazi. Simelanga simbonile. Siyamazi. Futhi siyasizwa nezikhi zakhe. Siyamazi baba. Ngoba isimpu siyamazi umelusi. Noma ungagqokisa kwakhe ngeke sikulandele. Noma ungakhulumisa kwakhe angeke sikulandele. Kodwa makavela yena. Usane akho satha. Bathi mhlaya vela lithi sonke siyofana naye. Mhlaya vela baba sonke siyofana. Sonke usengavela wena usenkingeni. Baba siyofana naye. Baba ngale why you bold like a lion? Ukhumbule ukuthi wabhala incwadi linto kwathiwa the righteous are as bold as a lion. So nazoveza isithombe sebhubesi ngoba lo sombona manje ubuso bakhe bufuthamalanga ayamantha kaphaya esenimbona manje nakabanye besimata sihloniphi kanti bese nimbona ma I can hear you, I can see you, but khona ngimbona phakathi kwama-lampstands khona ngimbona someone like Jesus. I see my pain, but I see Jesus. I see my problems, but I see Jesus. I'm seeing Jesus. I see Jesus. I see the report, but I also see every condition you understand. I'm also seeing Jesus. I'm also seeing Jesus. In this situation, I'm seeing Jesus. Tell me what you see. Tell me, Abraham, what do you see? And as a cool man open now, what do you see? It as far as your eyes can see, that land is given to you. I see power here. I see power here. I see power here. I see power here. Somebody said, I'm powerful. So I'm powerful. It is done. I see myself walking. I'm stadium. When I'm abona kunabantu ngapha kunamaphoyisa la inephansi memezela nje ukuthi uJesu inkosi ayathahase memezela ukuthi uJesu inkosi mina ngisibona ngisendaweni nakhona abantu bathi siyamvuma lo nkulunkulu wabo mina mbona umhlaba uyavuma ukuthi uJesu inkosi abethe amaphoso omhlaba ayasavume ukuthi kunenkosi yasezulwini. There is God in heaven. We serve a living God. He is God in the name of I saw him in the middle of gold and lampstand. Beyond the gold there is God. Beyond the crisis there is a crown of God. Before the actually beyond the pain there is the presence of God. Whatsoever openanina ngale kwayo ngalo lokho kukhanyisa phambi kwakho kuba na inkazimulo ngazimulo yakhe igcwele amasu usomile no. Some encounters involve direct manifestation of God. Direct manifestation of so when you kukhomba ukuthi unje ngifuna yena akhome uzokhona ukumkhaza nawe umkhaza ku-dimension yakho uHezekiya wamkhaza ku-dimension yakhe uDaniela wamkhaza ku-dimension yakhe uIsaiah wamkhaza ku-dimension yakhe. So you must have an encounter with God. That's what you see God. During an encounter you see God. Sometimes when he appears as the angel of the Lord, as the angel of the Lord. While others they are seeing what we call the elevated version of Christ. The angel of the Lord. So now we can dip aside. In the book of Exodus chapter number 3 was revealing Christ's footprints on earth before he took the body of a man. That is why the Bible likhuluma amagama lithi wakhuluma ingilosi kaJehova yathi I am the angel of the Lord. La kunomlilo ngiyingilosi kaNkulunkulu. I am the angel of the Lord. Theologians are saying now njalo ngokubona lamagama kuthiwa there is a visitation bese uzwa kuthiwa the angel of the Lord said that was Christ in his spiritual form before he visited earth. So uKristu wayekhona na Old Testament. When wambona ku New Testament iphela futhi usayangena kule revelational level kaChrist. So Christ was already in the Old Testament, but Jesus waited to carry Christ from the Old Testament. That is why the Old Testament is the shadow of the New Testament. Why? Because the Christ now overshadows the Jesus. That is why in Jesus there was Christ. That is why in you there is Christ. So lo mzimba wakho uphethe Kristu ngasindiswa. Noma wethwala Kristu constant until you meet Christ. Once you meet Christ you receive a new name. You are now a citizen of heaven. So before you meet Christ you monk, but once you receive Christ you become a citizen of heaven. You are no longer now the product of your father, your biological father. You are now a product of God. Saying umntana kaNkulunkulu manje. Ezinye izinto ozozikhuluma azivele kuwe. Sesivela kuwe. Okunye ukuyibuza ngene ukuthi uyazi lokho ngikwenze kanjani ngoba mina ngamandla wami bengiyakhona ukwenza. It is the Christ that is in you that manifests in your daily life, daily routine. So uyavela uJehova futhi uyaziveza. Abanye benani imbono ngoba nimazi. But kusuka namhlanje somazi ba. Kusuka namhlanje sombona ba. In the name of Ningakhathazeki. I am not distracted. Sila namhlanje. The moment umuntu receive or abona uJesu uba transformed to the witness of God. Because my soul khulumela uJehova. And the thing is nami ngisokhona ngicela ukubatshela ukuthi si expect uNkulunkulu ovela njengo Goliath. No, akavele kanjani uNkulunkulu. Genesis chapter number 18, the Bible lithi wathi azihlelele etendeni lakhe. Wathi ubuke egate wabona amadoda amathathu. But because uyamazi uNkulunkulu owambiza kuGenesis chapter number 12, Abraham wathi kahleni noma ngakuthiwane angimbonanga yena kuGenesis 12 kodwa lamadoda lawa une presence yaNkulunkulu. Umuntu makeza sona makangena la sontweni makanento yasezulwini uyasho ukuthi angikwazi kodwa ngiyakwazi. Basi kodwa ngiyakwazi. Abraham wathi ahleli lithi iBhayibheli wathi abuka amamzulu le egedini wathi uyahlola ukuthi ayikhona. Bantu bona bawubuka ngehlo lenyama kodwa uNkulunkulu bawuhlola ngehlo lakamoya. Kusho ukuthi kunabanye abantu esibabona ngathi abantu kana kubona abantu. Washo napha mama wadibana naye wakusiza wangathathi nenamba yakhe awumazi ngegama lakhe. God has been visiting us. Washo napha wakusiza kuseni ungayibona indlela umnyama wakutshela ukuthi ungaphuma ngapha noma wazibuza bengikhuluma nobani. God has been with us. Mama thabula uNkulunkulu hamba nathi mama. uNkulunkulu hamba nathi. Washo napha lo muntu wakusizwa hamba nesandla sebangasekho abantu ebusuku. Constance abanye abantu bahamba ebusuku bayazi lento. Umuntu ahamba ebusuku ubona ngathi kunomuntu lapho wesabe kodwa lento ithi ungesabe. Uthi uyasondela akhulume nawe futhi ahambe nawe lo muntu kodwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi athi ngesuka la songahamba kahle. Uma ngalungenephi ngoba lesiqaphi lesingemazi bani bakho and amazi umuntu so God is working with us. We will feel the presence. I said, no matter semsebenzini njengoba sizwe inyanga sibone presence yenyanga siyizwa futhi you're about to feel the presence of God. Uzobatshela ngihambe ngedwa manje uDavide wathi wanoGoliath bathi awuyadlala Goliath nizabuwe ngoNkulunkulu. Wala abantu laba imagine he has never trained with them but he knows their code. That has been training them. If you know they are defender, you can defend them. But in the car, you are not defended by a muscle. ngiza negama elingaphezu kwamagama wonke. Ngiza le-presence kaJehova who brought us here. God will protect you. God will uphold you. God will lift you. God will lead you. God will heal you. God will restore you. God will empower you. God, it has been taught from day one. It has been taught from day one. But tell about it has been taught. It has been taught. Don't give credit where it is not true. Give credit to God. God brought me this far. God brought me this far. God lifted me. God promoted me. It has been taught from the beginning. It's been taught. Let's talk about it. Wabonila manjawa. Wabonila manjawa. Wabonila manjawa. I've seen the power of God. It has been taught. He's our advocate. He's our defender. We can never be defeated. Somebody say, I have Jesus. I wish I had church here. I have Jesus. Shall I belong to Jesus? Shall I belong to Jesus? Ayithi nabo bonkulunkulu wami ithi lento nangu uNkulunkulu. I'm saying plural but lento ibaletha baba singular nana ngibona iplural ngemehlweni yami but lo muntu makakhuluma akathi nabo uNkulunkulu wami uthi nangu uNkulunkulu. Some things don't make sense in the flesh. Ngoba ngibona abantu abawu3 lapho why kuthiwe nangu uNkulunkulu. God spoke to him. Ngoba baba unendlela zakhe baba. Okunye wena ukubona kodwa namhlanje uqala ukubone. Ya. Ngaka baba nathi kangaka. Wena ucabanga ukuthi mawuvela kamoya ulwa nabo sithe uvela uyiwani Bible. Mawuvela kamoya multiply. Mawuvela kamoya we multiply. We fight giants and they will fall. We defeat giants in the name of. I know abanye bakade siyadlala. But the last corner, sifuyeka amandla wakhe. Vele libulimo kwabakhuphayo. Hayi kodwa thina siyayithanda lento yasebenzela. Siyayithanda lento yasebenzela. Yabona sinamandla nje ngoba khona sibusela. Kube ngabathakathi nasaphelwa manje. Kube kuya ngabantu abangasifunda, abasesidangele manje. Kodwa ngeke kuyahamba. Kube lathi go on, carry on, push through. Akazubhekane nani. Carry on. Somebody. I understand about it. I can't with you. Go on, Baba Sanborn. Carry on. Just when I bet us from no hour. Carry on. I feel like if you will need help, God will bring help. We just want to put this from no hour. Ngoba wokuqala bamshaya bavuka sikhwala. Ngoba wesibili kodwa lithi kwathi bakathi uyawa. Base banendoda. Athi ngicela ukukuthwalela isiphambano sakho. Ayicela ukukubethela. Yathi ngicela ukukuthwalela isiphambano sakho. Ezinye izinto ziheavy. Kodwa ukuthi kuheavy akusho ukuthi asiyeke. Yasinda kona kodwa siyoqhubeka. Kodwa siyoqhubeka. Yazi siyoqhubeka sekukhona abasizayo. But we don't give. Let's show it to other people. We carry our yoke. We finish our assignment. Yasinda kona kodwa other people will help us. Help is on the way. 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 In the name of someone is going to help you. Listen to this. Someone is going to help you. Someone is going to help you. Angazi ufunani? Khona zokusiza. Lift up your phone. Khona zokusiza. Someone is going to help you. Someone is going to help you. I stand under the grace. Santa Aliapo. I stand under the grace of my Father. Someone is going to help you. 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 Listen to this. Bese kuba nalo Genesis chapter number 18 Bible twabona kababona bangahlali phansi kodwa ubona bayihlalisa phansi yena bangahlali phansi bona bayihlalisa phansi lizothi hlalani la ngisanilungisele uJehova ufuna indawo athi inkonjane zezulu zinondawo kodwa indodana yomuntu ayinayo akuthi indawo bathi bayayibuza ukuthi ngabe unayo indawo empilweni yami na unayo indawo na kule relationship yami kule business yami unayo indawo na to Abraham okulungisela isitulo okulungisela netafula uNkulunkulu angakakhulumi akhulula isibeletho sika Sara uAbraham wathi ayikhona ngeke ngihlale ngivakashelwe izulu amphithizele uAbraham neyibamvumela ukuthi uNkulunkulu abe la yena abe lokaphithizele kodwa uMartha bayala manje ukuthi uJesu makakhona uMartha phithizele kodwa dimension yaNkulunkulu imithayo lindo ngeke ifane neyami omunye bamvumela ukuthi alungise ukudla omunye kuthiwa waphithizela wakhathazeka ngento zasemhlabeni kwenzakale our dimensions are not the same. That is why lento yapha bokukholwa lendlela yokukholwa ipersonal uNkulunkulu uziveza ngendlela yakhe abekho lapha hambe lapha uDavid udibane nebhubesi uthi uNkulunkulu ubulala lento uSamson udibane nebhubesi uthi uNkulunkulu ubulala lento kodwa uDaniela ungena lapha amabhubesi khona uNkulunkulu uthi hlala nawe abanye abantu bangayibulala lento thina siyohlala khona. My dimension is not your dimension. My level is not your level. Abanye funa bayibulale into ebhekane nabo thina siphila ikho Daniela ngabe uNkulunkulu wakho ukusizile na wathi uDaniela ngisaphila amabhubesi afile na awafana nawo akaphila awalumani na wathi uDaniela phonisa nabani kuthiwa bathi baphonisa abanye abanqaka abasesha angazi ubani obhekane nawo kuthiwa ukuthi lento obhekane nayo ayikhona but it will bite them in the name of Asante Genesis sengiqedile ukushuma someone sekhaya encounter with God they met God himself ufuna wena baba I need God 18 verse number 3 funda kwesiyami someone sekhaya funda please help us here start something
wathi Nkosi